Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to design this part, and without wasting time, let's start it. First step, go to top plane. Active circle, click from this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 30 mm. Active extrude boss, make 50 mm. Okay. After that, go to front plane. Active spline feature. Click from this point to this point to this point and this point. Tidy up the line. Active smart dimension. Click this edge and this point. Make distance 3 mm. Create this edge and this point, make distance 10 mm. Create this edge and this point, make distance 6 mm. Create this edge and this point, make distance 5 mm. Create this point and this edge, make distance 8 mm. Click this point and this edge, make distance 8 mm. Okay. Edit sketch. Maybe make this distance 5 mm. After that, active split line. Create this sketch and click this face. Okay. Now the tube have split. Now active composite curve. Click this edge and this edge. Okay. See? After that, active sweat cut. Check circular profile. Click this edge. Make diameter is 3 mm. Okay. Hide this sketch. See? Now you know how to make this curve. Make the part color is red. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.